And this is what it looks like today. And it's supposed to snow pretty much another 5 or 6 hours. I had a big limb come down. So that's goat feed. That tree's gonna come down whether I want it to or not. Go out back and see what it looks like. A lot different from yesterday. It's beautiful. My power's out. Been out since about 2:30 this morning. That tree is still pretty. The snow is so heavy. And right now it's mixed with rain. And that's never good. And this is what my yard looks like with a foot of snow.